Them a fight for take a little picture with Jiggy. Who this? Jiggy. Watch there. Watch the crowd, watch the crowd.
Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subs. What go on? Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Najeerii, Jiggy and Foota hype. Yeah man, 3 separate topic for touch upon. So watch a man, like up this video and share it up. Click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a brand new upload every day, and subscribe to the one and only 4K Shella Energy. Yeah man, big up on yourself and make we get right into this review. So make we kick this review off with the one and only Jiggy. Yeah man, Jiggy is a producer for those of you who do not know. Yeah man, him work with top artists like King, Valiant, Craft, Tamale Sparta, and the list goes on, viewers and subs. Yeah man, Jiggy a go on good for himself, no joke. But anyways, Jiggy was caught in a store. Somebody did a video Jiggy and also a video the huge crowd of people were a line up to go take pictures with Jiggy. You see me? Yeah man, Jiggy after you take pictures with all these people one by one, viewers and subs. Just pre-walk on.
Them a fight for take a little picture with Jiggy. Who this? Jiggy. Watch there. Watch the crowd, watch the crowd. Watch the crowd. Watch the crowd, people. Them a fight to take picture with Jiggy. Watch there. Bombokla Dan Skengwa producer. Bombokla, watch the crowd. One Jiggy, watch it. Big up and be things in I love Jiggy.
Yeah man, everybody want to take picture with Jiggy, but the thing is, enough viewers and subs, once you're a celebrity or a public figure, these things are going to happen. It's going to normal to you, see me? Yeah man, and I rate how the entertainer just easy himself and you know, deal with the badness and take pictures with the fans, because I don't know say the fans them have to make it the way they see me? Yeah man, but anyways, big up to Jiggy, big up to his fans them same way. And you know, me that made Jana said, Jano, imagine if one of the top artists them did like King or Valiant them, you see me? Or, you know, any of the other top artists them, imagine if they were there, how the place would have gone. In there with a full like grand market, no joke. But anyways, like I said, these things supposed to be normal to you once you're a celebrity or a public figure, you see me? Yeah man, but anyways, big them up same way, make we move on. Viewers and subs, like up the review if you reach this far. So Najeerii bounced back from the time he was performing in Mandeville and the crowd stood still. Yeah man, I'm glad to see the youth a perform back and him alright, him happy. You see me? Yeah man, the crowd show the youth a bag of love in this performance. The youth enjoy himself and that we like to see. But on the post it says, thanks again for not understanding. Youths them are a future. Yeah man, Najeerii, that's what Najeerii had to say about this whole performance. You see me? But like I said, the crowd has shown Najeerii a nice and good loving feedback. So the only issue me can say me have with Najeerii, and viewers and subs and I don't know, so we're gonna talk it as it is. You see me? Everything with Najeerii alright, but the pants, rather the youth they have in a belt than him show off in underpants. You see me? The member and viewers and subs, as an artist, your image speaks a lot. You see me? And not just an artist. In anything you're doing in this world, your image speaks a lot. You see me? Some would rather the dog like having a belt or make sure the pants fit him right. You see me? But otherwise, Najeerii I do well and I rate that for him. You see me? Yeah man. Viewers and subs, just make me know to think about that. And remember, we also have Foota hype. I go talk upon Najeerii's performance at Sting 2023. Viewers and subs, Jano, we need to hear this.
And Najeerii dey on Russian with him. And him sing the song on Russian with him, but me love bad bitch. Me love and him sing that. Oh, what Najeerii sing? And Najeerii sing Wild Out Tonight. And Najeerii sing Every girl I get wild out tonight. It's a wild out tonight. I ain't sing that. And him sing that? Rat bat all the while. Now him name Najeerii. Oh, that a rage a while. Oh, that I want to plan out him here sometime. Remember, me don't know the whole of them, you know. So, Najeerii sing paddle boat. Get over there paddle boat. You know, for big bunks with him, right? Okay. So, hear me say now. Obviously, who I manage him, or who I tell him what to do, don't know what them I do. Bounty Killer, Baby Sham, just, we don't even, look what going on. We don't even know say Bounty and Beanie exit the stage yet, you know. Because we don't know what going on. At this point, it get confusing, you know. Come young here, Killer rush into, man a bad man, so with a friend fish, and walk. Because he rush into it. So from here, rush into it, me I say, rascal, how I go on? When me look, me just see Killer and Baby Sham walk, so. Then me see that youth run out, with the whole line batty wall out the door. You know what? So me I say, how this? Me not hear no MC call him out. Me not hear him introduce himself. Me not hear him say nothing. Me not know what him name. Me just know say him look drag up. And my you turn this me and this year. But me just want to tell the truth. You look drag up. You wear about one size 28 pants and it still a drop off of you. And your boxers they all over the place. And your jacket they are... Bro, what the fuck? Like seriously? So none of your friends them backstage couldn't tell you pull up your pants? None of your friends them where you have power with can't tell you say me done. You know me no want to see no man batty all though. An artist me not this year. Cause if you never come on the stage someone wouldn't have nothing to say. First thing you do wrong, no MC no call you out. And you no call out yourself. All people fi know who you be. If no MC no call you out, and when you come out, you no talk by yourself. You know, so people are Najeerii, you know, mad, you know, nothing. You know, big up where you come from, nothing, me no hear, no. Me just see you run out and I sing. Me I wonder who this. Me think a Killer set you working, you know. Me swear say a Killer set you working, you know. Me confused at this point. I look, I wonder what this. And me hear me to myself. So, oh, Killer, I'm on the left sea view, so. And when me hear sing the little paddle boat something, me I say, him sing right, but me confused. Me I tell you, I got you. Me confused. You frost me out. You make me not know. Me I say, how me I watch? Come me swear say a Killer set you in a. Me swear say a Killer set you in a. Me there in there, me cook look mackerel and rice and you stress me out, me couldn't even eat the food. Cause me still I wonder what go on. See me here? How go on this so? Hey, watch your word the way you right, Terry. Watch your word the way you right. Fix that. Yeah, so me I said, Jano, who that dog, me never know who. All me know say the man look drag up. Bro, big man thing. Me no want to think me a this nobody. And every time I talk about artists, I always end up get at you know. Cause the Pablo YG at them one. Mali than them, after them do the worst clash me ever see a thing from a band. But they end up boss. But the youth you know, bro, it look disgusting. The way you come up on the stage and your pants are drop.
Alright, so I'm gonna cut it right there, some viewers and subs. You don't hear what Foota had to say about Najeerii. Yeah, man, me know most of them, I go agree most of them, me not. But still, everybody have them own opinion, you see me? Yeah, man, Najeerii may have little tweaks him need to work on, but at the end of the day, we can't too pressure him about that. At the end of the day, viewers and subs, Najeerii will learn. You see me? They will learn. So watch on viewers and subs. everybody have their own opinion. So please do let me know what you think about any of the topic them when me touch upon in the comment section. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself, like up this video and share it up. Subscribe if you're new to over here and big up on yourself like always. Catch you know in another one.